Good morning, everyone. Welcome for the next session of Advanced Photovoltaic Technologies. Now, well, any queries from your side regarding your research paper regarding anything? If it's there, please let me know. Good morning, Datta. Good morning, Prachi. Good morning, Pratik Srivastav. Any queries from your side? Okay. No such queries. Okay, let me start from my content which is there on the blackboard. There it is. Let me share some of the few facts with you. We have the assignment answer paper. Let me show you something which is so much important for you in this context. Uh, I know most of students are confused in the assignment or you have to give any term paper. Well, starting from this, I think I am going to share with you. You have homework. It is non-graded. Non-graded means your marks, internal marks will not be evaluated from your homework, and your internal marks will be evaluated from your quiz, from your short-term paper. Let me tell you what is short-term paper, and most of it is already tell you about what is short-term paper. This is a quiz. I will extend the date of the quiz. This is a short-term paper. This quiz of carrying approximately of let me open it for you. There is no such assignment for the master students. Only quiz and term paper. Is it clear, Abhishek? Let it be open. Right. Now this is the quiz. You will answer later on, but this quiz carries 6 marks point. This quiz carries 6 marks point. Now you have to take one attempt. Now I have to show you what is term paper. I already told you in the previous session about the short term paper. You have to submit the short term paper. Uh, now, if let's tell me, students, did you find any issues regarding the downloading of such paper from the internet? Yes or no? No, sir. No, sir. Okay, good. Which website you're using for downloading the paper? IEEE. You have the IEEE access with you. What about Springer? Okay, Sci-Hub. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, beta. I'm just proud of my students. I'm proud of my students. Most of our students are using Sci-Hub. Now, tell me, students, did anyone didn't know about the Sci-Hub? Maybe there's some of students who didn't know what is Sci-Hub. SCIHUB. Anyone? This is Russian website. I'm not talking about Russian website. I'm talking about the student who didn't know. Today I'm concentrating more on the classrooms. Anyone who didn't know about the what is Sci-Hub and how you are using it? Prachi, Anisha, Vigneet Kaur, did you know what is Sci-Hub? You tell me. Anyone beta who didn't know about the Sci-Hub? If you didn't know, be honest with yourself and tell me so that I can explain you how to download. Gazima told us about this project class. Okay, thank you. Thank you with that. Great. You don't need to explain that Sci-Hub. Now, I want to discuss one more important thing with you. That is about research. That is not on the basis of term paper, it's about your thesis. Now I know the thesis is so much important in this stage. Now I'm talking about thesis or dissertation. And at the end of the semester, end of the year, you can say approximately you have to give the thesis in 2022. But how you going to proceed with this type of thesis and how you can getting started with your thesis work right now from the very first semester, because at the end of the years, at the end of the, you can say 1.5 year, students landed up on that confusion, which topic we have to use, from which teacher will become our guide, and which area we have to choose our research work. Now it's the right time. Now first of all, this is your first semester. My mode of teaching is that divide your semester into 4 stages in the terms of your thesis. Now, in every semester, there is a short-term paper. Short-term paper. Now, this is only a short-term paper, review paper, on which you can going to send to your teacher, send to your instructor about for evaluating. It contains approximately 20 marks. It contains approximately 20 marks. Now, beta, uh, this such a huge marks is there, but only short-term paper, not a assignment. You have to submit only short-term paper, not an assignment. Assignment is separate thing. Short-term paper is separate thing. Most of our students in masters confused about the what is short-term paper. Short-term paper is an actual research paper. Short-term means you have to write it down, you have to research it down. Uh, I will tell you about where you have to submit it. I'm also going to show you when is the right time to submit it. Now, I'm talking about the thesis work. Now, about the thesis work, divide it into your 4 stages. At the end, you will only remain with your simulations. And here, start working your literature survey. Start working over it from the very first semester. Identify your area. Identify your area of research. That's the main part. Then start working over the objectives in your second semester, and complete your objectives. You can say if they are approximately 4 objectives, to complete the first or 2 objectives. It may be used as your project work also. It may be used as your research seminar. There are 2 subjects in the third semester. It's about the research seminar and the project. You can change, you can use this 1 or 2 objective as your research seminar or a project, and in the end complete all the first, second, third, and fourth objectives in the fourth semester, final semester. And before submitting you have to complete. First of all, identify your area. The first is the most of duty. How you going to go to identify? Search it from the internet, search it from the various literatures in which area you are comfortable, in which area your interest lies. It's all about the interest. It's all about your, you can say, inclination towards that technology. As if I'm talking about the power system, if talking about energy system, talking about the renewable system, hybrid systems, biogas systems, this is how you can identify areas. The various teachers are available in the department. You can contact anyone for as a guidance. At the end, you have to select only one guide or 2 guides as a co-guide in the end of the fourth semester. So this last stage is so much crucial. Why I am telling you, हम लोग को स्पेशलाइजेशन बताया नहीं क्या? Okay, better. It's not about the specialization. It's not about the specialization, beta. It's about your topics. It's not about specialization in the electrical engineering. It's about your topics you choose in the very first or second semester. It doesn't relate with your coursework. It's not relate with your you can say course which is running out. It's only about you. You have to identify your area from the very first semester. The very first one, you have to identify your specific area where you want to work. Because why I'm telling you on the very first semester, because most of the students, I see your seniors, that they are confused in the third and fourth semester, then what topic we should go to write a thesis, we should go to publish a paper. That's most of students confused in that semester. Now, regarding your search paper, regarding your short-term paper, there are two things: short-term paper and search paper. You may publish your short-term paper, and how you're going to publish your short paper, I hope you know about that. If students didn't know about how to publish a research paper, how to you can say go for research paper, in our Chennai University, there are conditions about the Scoopus journal. This is condition about the Scoopus journal, or you can say SCI journals. It is only possible when you submit your work 6 months or 3 months before. Let's suppose your you can say final destination Viva may come in your you can say in May 2022. You have to prepare yourself and submit the paper by January 2022 in any Scoopers journal so that the acceptance will become at May 2020 if you are good enough. That's why I'm telling you. Most of students confused that so we have less time. How are we going to publish a paper? We didn't have any much time. We didn't have any money also. This is a free journals. You can find out free journals. Scoopers journals are free journals. You may contact them anywhere. It may take some 6 months of time. SCI take approximately 1 year to publish your paper. If you have got your acceptance from SCI paper, that's enough for your final destination or you can for final thesis. Now, this is the how. Any question from your side? Because most of students, why I'm telling you, because it's a pre-alarm situation, so that you should be wake up at the right time, right position. Uh, Noise is coming. I think the noise of fan. I think the noise is not coming from my side. I think it's maybe lacking of cracking of noise. It's a mic problem. My mic problem. I'm using the webcam mic. Okay, but I will check it out. But I'm going to tell you, Vikram, don't worry. सब कुछ आज बताऊंगा आपको about short term paper, how we going to evaluate it. Now, let me start over again. Let me see you tell you about the. I think the revised calendar. I think the revised calendar is not shared with you. Let me show you where you have to see the revised calendar. This is all semester revised calendar for your examination, for your assignment, for your everything. Let me show you. I think it is not shared with you. Don't. Let me. I'm going to share it. I'm going to share it. Don't worry. I'm going to everything here. I want to share the revised or semester calendar examination point of view. Because it's a duty of mine to share the thing with you. Because most of the students are confused about the calendar, where you have to find out the calendar. I'm also share it on your WhatsApp also. First of all, let me tell you, share it. Voice is not clear. There may be some of the issues you can say at your end also. Now I'm going to share the this one about the revised calendar which is coming up with us. Now from here you can see you have to submit. I think is it visible to you? Is it visible to you? Okay, okay. Okay, but let me start. Let me start. Okay, let me start over again. Let me share. It is from my uh, Zoom. I think it is Zoom now. I think it is not visible to me also. How could you say that it's visible to you? Let me share it on my shared files. so that it will be visible to you also. Blur. Okay, thank you. I know it's a blur. That's why I'm sharing the files with you. I'm going to share it about your, so please send this copy. Yes, but I'm going to share this right now. So it will take some time to share with you. Let me share right now. Now this is the calendar. You can see you have to submit your term paper. Let me show you about the term paper. Your examination will be held on 3rd of October, I think the 3rd of October to the 6th of October. It's about the first year. It's applicable to master students also. You are in the first year. Now, this is about the unit 1. There will be two types of you can say, MSCs. The first MSc at 10th, 6th of 3rd of October to 6th of October, and second MST will held at 9th of November to 12th of November for the first year students. Not about the, don't take as second year students who are first year students. Now let me start over again about your quizzes, because quizzes are your graded marks. We have to submit your marks as internal marks. Now the quiz will be started. You can say, let me start over here. Your quiz will be on the 1st to 10th of September. Now I will open the quiz for you. You can only answer the quiz online. Don't worry, it's easy for you. You can answer the quiz online. The marks will come at me. I can upload on the CMS also. Now this is a quiz. Now let's talk about your, you can say, term paper. Let me see where it is. Now term paper is so much crucial that let me, yes, but I let me ask some questions. There's some questions. Uh, Time and, so date and time both are online. Yes, beta. MST will be online, and you have to submit a term paper online to me, and everything will be online. That is, I think it will be MCQs old, sir. Date old. What about date old? Old date. No, that is now your exam has been postponed. The exam has been postponed. I think it will be shared on your CMS also. They're already there. Now you can say your second MST on 9th of November to 12th of, and the first MST from 3rd of October to the 6th of October. I will share it with you. Don't worry, this file. Now let me share with you some of the more important things to ask about your term paper. Now here is the term paper. You have to submit by 30th of October. There are two term paper. I think let me share it with you. According to this, the term paper you should have to submit by 30th of your October, and the term paper of unit 1 by 10th of September. The 10th of September you have to submit the term paper. This is a dates is coming up from the higher authority by unit 1 for 10th of September and unit 2 by 30th of October. I think it is sufficient for you. Any question from your side? So BB quiz homework date are old. Okay, beta, we will change it. Don't worry, don't worry. We will change. Don't attempt that paper after doing. When I have announced there is an announcement about the quiz or spy test, then I'm going to share with you. Now, moving further in our curriculum, moving further about our advanced photovoltaic technologies. Now, let's talk about the various things which we are doing in the last session. It's about your uh, silicon, is about term paper. Term paper means you have to submit one short paper. Short paper on these topics I already shared with you. These are topics maybe the hybrid solar system, or you can say renewable energy, or you can say anything. I've explained you. Let me share on the PPT with you. Let me share the PPT. Let me share this thing with you so that the things will be more easier than you. Now, so we have told that we have to give one paper. I will check it from my research coordinator, or you can say for the higher authority. That is it true that they have to give only one term paper? But according to the circular, we came up that there are two term papers. And you can say this such paper different from this. Yes, beta, such paper different. Beta, you have to submit one of the review papers. let's suppose if you're doing approximately 10 or 15 such papers, maybe more than such on a particular topic, make a review of that. Send me to that is a term paper. Now here you can see there are 2 days left. You can say let's suppose Friday and Saturday are free for you. That days are dedicated for your research, not for your holiday. Now let me there's some questions coming up here. Let me answer the questions. Sir, I think please extend it. Yeah, but I will extend it of a short-term paper. But as per the circular we got from the higher authority, we will bounded by that. Okay, you can say circular. We will only submit it up to that certain, you can say, levels, not about more than that. Now I will extend the paper. I will extend the date of your MS quiz and your, you can say, other things, homework also, as per the days mentioned coming up by the higher court, not by me. I am changing it. That's why the higher authority is telling us that we should submit it by that time, and we have to evaluate your quiz and other things by that time. Now moving further, in any question from your side, and I think Neeraj has asked me one question about what is difference between a search paper and a term paper. Now, beta, the difference is about your, let me start over again. Now this is a slide. Let me tell you about the research paper. Let me tell you about what is research paper. Research paper is about a new research we have done till now, or we call it as a novel research. Because a novel research knows is a pure search, nobody have done it before. Now, if you are changing any parameter of the previous search, let me take example of if you are changing the parameters of a previous research. Now you have to, you can say, compare your compare your results with your previous one. That is one why that's how you can go for research. Now these are the previous research, or because of previous parameters which you're using for your latest research, and you compare results with the previous designs to previous research. That's what we're going to do here. Now if we're talking about the short-term paper, the name has it is a short term paper. Let's suppose we are taking a topic of a hybrid renewable system, RB's renewable system. Now you have to search approximately most of the search. I'm talking about search papers online and make a review. What you have reviewed from that papers, it may be papers, maybe starting from your, you can say, maybe 10 to 50 or more than that is up to you. Then is more than that. It's up to you. You can do it as per your wish. You can review the papers, you can review your, you can say, results, and did a comparative analysis chart and then submit to me. There's a short of paper. But in a research paper, you have to do a novel research. Novel research means you have to do a latest terminology you will use in that research. That's the main research paper. Now you have to submit it. Let me answer it for you. You can have to submit it to the Scopus journal. Now, if your short of a term paper is so much good enough, you can send it to the journal also for publications. It's up to you. Now let me ask some of the queries which are there in the chat box. So send me people which submit one offline. Better you have to submit it online. It is there on the BB Collaborate. You have to submit it online. You have to upload your search paper. And one more important thing you have to. I will tell you about that. Short-term paper and search paper. Now there is a plagiarism report. What is a plagiarism? There is a plagiarism is there. Your plagiarism for research paper, I'm talking about research paper, should be less than 10%. And if we're talking about short-term paper, it should be less than 20%. That's it. That should be there. And beta, I'm going to check the plagiarism online. The marks will be set, the marks will be evaluated on the plagiarism, on your title, on your, you can say, what the content that paper had, and this is how you will going to evaluate your short-term paper. And this paper carries approximate maximum of 20 marks. That's it. Let me ask some of the questions over here. Now, I think any question from your side? Uh, Karwa? No, but you have to submit it on the, you can say, let me show you. I think again students are confused here. Let me show you on the screen over here. Now you have to submit it here. Just enter it, upload your research paper, or if you want to have a title is, let's suppose title is comparative of hybrid system. Let's suppose this is the title. Just click over that link. Yeah, just upload your search paper from your, you can say, from your computer. That's it. That only take. And this is a maximum of 20 marks. And this is the rubrics of your search paper. Let me show you rubrics. How we're going to evaluate your research paper. You can see here. Now here it is. Now it's about the relevance of the topic, abstract of the topics, comparative analysis, paper submitted. Is it 25% marks is there if you submitted to a journal, if it is in the any other journal, 25% marks is there. Means from 20 you can 20 marks, 25% marks approximately you can say for 2.5 5 marks. 5 marks for your if you are submitted to your you can say journal, if you got acceptance 100% marks will be given, you can say paper submitted to representative 25 marks, 50% marks, and 50%, and this is how we're going to evaluate. Now here is the relevance to topic, a review of a topic. You can search it about the rubrics are there, how you be going to evaluate from this type of rubrics. Now zero plagiarism, about the abstract argument of paper, comparative analysis and how paper submitted. This is the how the short paper is. Any question from your side, beta? I think this many questions are coming up now. Uh, Format is permissible. Yes, PDF format is permissible. Now, can we review paper on this topic? We can mention about what you can any choice. Let me show you the topics. I think the topics are already mentioned there. This is a vast topic. Just you have to set one topic. Let me show you any topic. Uh, Let me show you topic. Here it is. Let me close it. These are topics. These are vast topics. This is topics related to your course. Hybrid photovoltaic modules, efficiency of PV cells, latest smart material for power generation. These are a few topics. You have to submit it on these vast topics. Is it okay, beta? I just give an example. This is an example. Don't go for you can say anything that I am putting this as a you can say this is an example of the title of the paper. Don't take it as a serious one that you have to spend on this topic. These are advanced topic where you can use your research. Send some short term paper. Better short term papers are format of the short term paper. It's about IEEE format. It's in the IEEE format. Don't go for any other format. or you can say, let me, I will share the format also. If it is IEEE format in the single side, let me show you. The IEEE format. Don't go for any other formats. Don't go for the double, you can say paragraph, go for single paragraph. It's simple how it is. Anything, any question from your side? Beneath machine. About your short-term papers in a group, let me show you some of the short-term papers. Let me talk about the hybrid solar PV. Let me show you. Let me so that you can find out the show. I'm going to start with the sprinkler. I'm going to share with you. So send me. Beta, I didn't see it, beta. I'm not able to see it. I can see it by today or by tomorrow. It takes some time, but don't worry, I can see. Due date for your subject, but I already told you, your due date is approximately, I have already shared it's 10th of September. I have to submit it online before they are submitted, before time we can submit it. I can even, the race which I have already mentioned from higher authority, I'm just communicating that race. Now, uh, about the control of, I'm going to show one of the paper over here. I'm just telling about this. Put it as your review paper. Don't put it as your search paper. That's what it is. For writing a search paper, you need approximately 3 to 4 months for writing two search paper. Now, for shorter paper, just review some of the contents. Just review one of the paper. That's it. Don't go for any happy schedule of your. Don't put too much load on your hand. Now, this is the control of solar PV wind hybrid system in grid Iceland mode. It is a paper. I think this is the search paper. You can download it. This is not a short-term paper. Again, I'm repeating. This is not a short-term paper. Just review one or two papers. Send to me that I have reviewed this one. I have collected the information of this one. This for hybrid system, solar PV modules are there for wind hybrid energy. This author has said this to me. This to you has per the author. Let me show you. This is abstract. Here it is a because a hybrid system is there. This maximum power tracking algorithm is there. MPP algorithm, and I'm going to choose this. That's it. Don't worry about that. This is only short-term paper. In the search paper, you have to do a simulation. You have to do some of the things from the search point of view. Let me ask some of the queries over here. So yours means I think yes, maximum of 3 papers, 3 pages, 3 or 4 pages maximum. Maximum you can how many pages you can write? Maximum by 3 pages. Don't worry, don't more than that. I think it's sufficient for unit one. So how we can write sort of our own words? Yes, it's up to you. It's up to you. You have to just select that you can say this some of the lines over here just modify in your own you can say language. Yes, how you can go to edit it? Don't worry. If you start writing a short of paper right from the very first semester, then you will be according writing a such paper in the last semester. Don't worry, it's easy one. The first stage of research. That's why the voice is not clear. Machine. The voice is not clear to everyone, or not only machine. The voice is clear to everyone or not? Okay, not clear to me. Maybe some issue. I think that Jammu Kashmir people have some issue with Ghani from the Jammu and Mushim from the Kashmir. Maybe some issues. Okay, I can understand. Beta, it's about the internet issues. You can download the recordings from your mobile phone or from the laptop. You can go over there. Now, moving further, I think any questions regarding term paper, any confusion about term paper and such paper, any confusions? Okay, I think it is clear with you. Let me stop sharing it. Now let me start what we are doing in the last session about the. Let me show it with you. We're talking about the waste energy levels. I think we are talking. We have finished with the mobility. Now, this is one of the examples we will talk about latest examples about next. I think this is already self-explanatory about the intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Now, here extrinsic means a pure type of semiconductor is available. Uh, so can you call? Oh yes, but I will call you. I will call you after the session. Uh, you can see these are two types of intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Here you can find out that in extrinsic semiconductor we can put in the dopings over here. I think it is pentavalent and trivalent. Let me ask some question for you. Simple question. This is, I think it's not the level of your mathematics for between and tri semiconductor. Simple question for you. Simple question I've already done many times. Now, for making N-type semiconductor, we need this type of material. Please answer the poll. I can see only one student have answered the poll. I think Amandeep have answered the poll. Vikram has also answered the poll. Vikram Singh, Prateek, Machine, Ragneet. Don't search on the net. Please answer it right now. I know students are just copying the material and put the space on the net and see that which is the right answer. Okay, please answer it. Beta, both pentavalent, trivalent, pentavalent. Gurmeet, please answer the poll. Amisha, Apak, Apak. Okay, beta. Now I am stopping the poll. You can see the responses over here. You can see 5 students have answered it as a pentavalent and 3 students are answered it as a both pentavalent and trivalent. Beta, those who have written it as third one, both pentavalent and trivalent, wrong. Pratik, Vikram, you have answered it wrong. Even Manme also. We can't use two material and one substance. Pentavalent means extra electron in the last shell. Then only we have to put it in our semiconductor to make a extra electron efficient means N type of semiconductor is used. That's why we are using pentavalent material. Is it okay? Manme, Pratik, Neeraj also had written it as a third answer. Vikram also written a third answer. Vikram, you are wrong. Answer is first one, pentavalent. And for p-type, we're using trivalent properties. Here you can see for extensive semiconductor n-type dopant donor and p-type. P-type is not about the pentavalent, it's a n-type, is a trivalent properties. Having a last shell, having a one deficiency of one electron. That's why the host will be produced in the silicon. And in the n-type dopants have donors of electrons. At the outer shell, you can find out one extra electrons, which are used, which are you can say which is used for conducting in the silicon in the N-type material. Now moving further, sorry, beta, you are not uh, using common sense. Now let's talk about your mobility. Now mobility means carrier of charges from one place to another place. Now we can see that carrier velocity of this proportional to the electric field strength. Simple. I hope you have learned this into your EMFT also. V the velocity, mu is the mobility of electrons, the speed of electrons is 1350 centimeter per volume per second. Now E is the electric field. Now you can see negative for your, you can say for electrons and positive for your holes. Now here you can see Y negative. Since electron move in direction of opposite of electric field, that's why we put in the vector form. That's why it's a negative. And for positive for BP, it is. You can see the velocity of holes are so much smaller. There is 480 centimeters square. That's why we avoid to use P-type silicon or P-type element or P-type semiconductor in our devices. We avoid it. That's why for using other things for making, you can say, for making the system more faster, we are using N-type for in the replacement of holes. We can also use N-type in this format as a point source also. I hope you have seen it before. This is a VDD and you can use it as this is an N-type and here is a P-type. It's a normal P-type semiconductor. Here we are replacing this with this one. A simple interview question they may ask from you how we're going to replace P-type with this one. Now moving further as an example of this one, we already have done this before. Now uniform piece of N-type, uniform piece of silicon of 1 micrometer long sense of voltage of 1 volt determine the velocity of mu velocity v is equal to mu electric field. Electric field is how much 1 volt. And what is mu for electron is 1350 into 10 to the power. I think this is let me see what it is 135 centimeters square. It is centimeter square. It is centimeters square. This is 150. The velocity of your electron. Now, here we are using it E as a V is equal to E and E is we are finding out V is equal to 1.3 in this one and E L is length of this one and E is V by L. We are also finding out the lengthwise also. How we will do this. Thus the electrons in other words around take 1 by this one and we can say 1 by 1.35 times to power 7 centimeter per second, or we can say 7.5 picosecond for crossing 1 per meter per micrometer. It's the velocity of your electrons in 1 micrometer length of your material. I'm talking about silicon material. It takes as such less time. 7.4. I'm talking in terms of single electrons. Single electron take 7.4 picoseconds per micrometer length. Because per micrometer what is the velocity of your electron in a silicon of 1 micrometer. I hope you understand how we're going to evaluate it. Now this is the uniformity and you can say we will talk about later on. Now this is about the velocity. You can now we can now I'm going to now here it is. Now here how diffusion is this? Now here diffusion means suppose an ink drop. Let me take the example of this ink drop. Suppose an ink drop in a glass of water which is high local concentration. Let me see the timing it is. It is let me stop showing it. Now but I think time is 7:44. Now let me close this one. I'm going to share this one in the next session. We will meet in the next session. Now we will not discuss the term paper and short research paper. Any question from your side, you can contact me anytime on my mobile number or my WhatsApp number. Now, any questions right now? We would I will not waste so much time on this type of research paper or term paper. We will discuss already we discussed it. We will move over in our curriculum where we are doing it now right now. Any question from your side for the session? We'll talk about diffusion in the next sessions, in the next class. Today we are done only with the one polling and with only one question we discussed today. So please let us know about how many papers. Okay, beta. For per subject, I have to submit. I will ask you. I ask my academic coordinator. Then we will talk about it. We'll follow that. Okay, Abhishek, I will tell you on the group also. That's okay. Okay. Thank you so much, students. Signing off right now. We will meet in the next session for more informative session. Okay. Thank you so much.